Students, now let's come to the breathing underwater. Okay, fish have a pair gills. They breathe oxygen dissolved in water, okay, through gills. Gills greatly increase the surface area for the gas exchange. Okay, what happens is fish, they have a gills. Okay, and how do they breathe in air? They breathe in air with the help of oxygen dissolved in water. Okay, and you see the gills greatly increase the surface area for gas exchange. That means what does the gills help in? The gills help to absorb excess of water, because see, in water there is oxygen already dissolved in water, right? And then what they will do, the fish will take in water, and those water will be absorbed in gills. Okay, and from that water they take in oxygen, and then again they release water. We see fish releasing water in the form of bubble, right? Those thing. And typically gills are organized into a series of plate and may be internal, as in crabs and fish. Okay, it is a series of, you see, series of plates, and it is inside the fish. Okay, it is not out or external, or in some cases, or in some amphibians it is external, from outside only we can see the gills. Okay, in some, but in some it is covered. These organisms take in water which flows over gills. The blood in capillaries of gills absorb oxygen and gives out carbon dioxide. And in the gills also there are capillaries, okay, which absorbs oxygen and gives out carbon dioxide. How does the fish, they take what? They take oxygen. They do not breathe like us. What they do, they will just swallow the water, okay, and that water will be absorbed on the gills, and from the water they will take in oxygen, and then they will again throw out the water. Okay, that is the process by which they breathe.